today we're making Kakuni, which is braised pork with ginger. Going to start by searing our pork. I've sliced it into about 2 centimeter thick by 2-inch long slices. Traditionally it is cubed. It just looks a bit more visually appealing when it's sliced into longer strips. We're going to start by searing our pork. Okay, so our pork belly is all seared off. This really helps to concentrate the flavor mallow reaction, so we've got deeper, richer flavors going on. We're going to pour in quite a lot of sake, and this will help to remove some of the smell of the pork. Add water to cover. Make sure your pork is all submerged. We're going to go in with some spring onion tops, a little bit of ginger. This can be sliced, I think it just looks nicer when it's shredded, julienne. And then it's best to use a drop lid. So I'm just going to make a little cartouche. I believe that's the correct term. So this will help to keep all the pork submerged, which means that you won't have dry parts on the pork. We're going to cook this for 3 hours. Our pork has had 3 hours to simmer. Take our cartouche off. I've been skimming the fat occasionally, hence the ginger has moved, very occasionally. And to skim the fat, an ultra fine sieve, the fat actually stays on the top of it. I'm going to remove our pork. Now I'm just going to remove all of the vegetables that were seasoning the broth. They've done their job. And then we're going to season soy sauce, mirin, and then I'm going to go back in with the pork. It's had a minute to rest. The pork comes out and goes back in because we want to season the broth properly. So the eggs we've soft boiled for 6 minutes and then peeled. Obviously they're going to overcook anyway because we're going to boil them for another 30 minutes or simmer them for another 30 minutes. So we've had another 30 minutes. I like to put a little bit of the ginger over the top as well. And then 1 egg. That's my Kakuni done.